Doing an oil change on a Mercruiser 3-liter. We've got the hose that goes down to the drain plug here. The engine oil pan going to our extractor unit. We've got engine oil filter over on the side. I'm going to try changing the oil filter with making as little of a mess as possible. That's why we've got our oil diaper on the bottom here, and we put a catch can over the filter as best we can. Just about to put on the new oil filter. Always make sure that the O-ring did not stay in place. Give it a quick wipe down around the sealing surface and any spots where the oil might have dripped that you won't be able to access. Once the new filter is in place, always make sure you use good clean oil on your oil filter sealing ring. And then all you have to do spin it on, tighten by hand only. Never use a tool to tighten on an oil filter. And just wipe your area clean, clean up your mess, add oil, carry on.